Hi, I'm Dave. In the previous video, I modified a vacuum block by attaching an idle speed control valve to it. What I didn't do is show you how I tested it for leaks. You joined me midway through this ridiculousness. I managed to figure out how to block that one off. I tried balloons, but they didn't work. Something about physics made that impossible. I got bolts in these ones, and that fits there. This is actually the handlebar ends I found at a motorcycle shop. I couldn't find any decently priced end caps. The only ones I could find were like 30 bucks at Astro Products, and I'm like, screw that. This fits for $2.30, I think it was. So we'll jam that in there, but it's not holding pressure. So I'm just gonna wrap some tape around it. And this one's got a bolt in it, piece of hose and a hose clamp, and then a boost gauge. I need a tripod. Why don't I have a tripod? I've got like 4 of them. I'm using a balloon pump to build up pressure in here, and I'll probably go to about 0.5. I'll spray some of this shit on here, a whole bunch, and if it's leaking, we'll get bubbles. Remember, this is an NA car, so this is never gonna happen. Nothing. Hitting 1 bar and we've got no leaks. No bubbles. But it's not leaking out of here. We can be 100% sure. Because if it was leaking, it'd do that. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. This is also a good piece of advice. Don't get rid of all of your boost gauges because you can use them. Keep one. Keep one. Keep your favorite one, or keep a shit one. Sell the good ones. But keep one because you can use it for shit like this. It's now the cleanest part of the car. It's the only part of the car that's had soap on it in the last 6 months.